Papa de window. This I am filming without light on Nature's phone. Okay. Welcome back to a new vlog. Yeah, today I got someone to come and work on the machine for me, so it is now sewing. Okay. A while ago I called the Rama. I had wanted to tell her that Mommy had eaten cocoa 1 cedi 50 pesos today. Okay, so the cocoa she ate was like from the base up to this point. So when I called her Rama, I told her that Nature is in labor, so I'm taking her to the hospital. And she said that okay, I should call her with whatever that happens. They are calling back. I cannot continue with this, so I will tell her that it's a prank. Yes. There be men can't change no. Men can't change no. Why? Men can't change no. Ebefa. Oh, I dey ebefa. I can't check fiti awia ni nyina wo fefe ni nyina na aye na atana ho anti asa afi na eduso nti so de mi hu ne de enkoye se maame de no embo be 9 mu ho ne de na aye amefro o chano pani no aba na nka wo mu mana wo mefa no o chano pana wa mu atena ka mu na wa ba na wa be fa na ko. Okay. Me prefer. Why? Na me franka just no pay mama say where the cocoa 1 cedi 50 pesos. Cocoa 1 cedi 50 pesos. E ka 3-4. Also when tin say kura no okofa malt wo me buy malt no so obi dia. Also now akoyi malt na me ji so obi dia. Na mi ko hwe koko anopa ne ma mi ko to koko ma no koko 1 cedi 50 pesos ona na him ni nyina yo mate me bo awai awo bi anka no ya ji sene no awaka me se mi miti amaka sha me won se sa wo ka na echa mo betina wa wo ni kunu baby obi a betina na echa wo. And this was a becan or be quite there, but I mean, nation will fear pa now or canna more better now. Min carrying Chirubia, Mammy said, I say, I'm a palmy the Nibico school, say, numerous one, or Besha Mechia, Ming, if you are coming, Johnny Mobia, me, I made the bellwoman one, met from a fremon, so I mean, Chaya. If I found a fremon on our because me, him sending I'm with you. Why is that? Be me a minute. So me fa offer ya na me say go for mama warm up here. Warm up here na. Say I want some no na man na pisa ban. Yo nyambo yo mati. Guys, Nature has also bought her own. She has washing machine.
Money 100 and 500 one. No, my money 100 and the petrol time. There was only a 0.
So Felicia.
My photo washing machine was a rubber. I got to washing machine from the but then this kind of money.
So guys, she got a twin tab washing machine. I don't know from the board from Najana say. So she bought a Fairmate. My stove is Fairmate. The brand is Fairmate, and she also got Fairmate washing machine. Today I'm going to do a proper vlog when they are leaving, because any moment from today, these girls will pack her things and leave me. But next time, if not, I will not talk. Ocha, Baba found Palano. Now I can be quiet. Some I catch up. Ocha, 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 my Baba found Bango. Mrs. A. Oh, Mrs. A. Please be my witness. Advise Nature. Nature says she will be gone for 6 months. Very soon she will leave me. And she says she will be gone for 6 months. Now I said, maternity leave here 3 months. I don't blame her. I don't blame her, because all she's not going to spend. She's going to be fed. In fact, she's going to be asked what she will eat. See, I don't blame her, but Mommy Nature, who did 6 months? Baba found Anaba. Now I can. What? And I felt like saying, Omoko, now you sit there. I say, Tom Cow bed. Now I'll go back to factory settings. I say, oh, tell me what, how I must be anymore. Thankfully, the rains are back. It started raining, I think, 3 days ago. Yeah, and it's been raining almost every day. But today it drizzled. Yeah, it drizzled. So I came home early from work to come and sleep. This one is not enough because I slept the hell out of me. So what is happening is that Mommy went for school this afternoon, so I'm going to get her so that she comes home to disturb me. Good evening. Because I slept this afternoon, I don't know when I will sleep again. Yeah, because me and sleep, we are not that cool. So I want her to come home early to disturb me, to stress me, so that when I decide to sleep will smile at me. It's almost 5. Yeah, it's about 10 minutes to 5. But look at the sun. Yeah, the weather has been hot. If I say hot, it's not been easy with us. It's been dealing with us, but then we thank God for the rains. So that is about it. I am washing here. I have loaded the machine, so I am washing. I'm going to go and get Mommy. Good evening. I'm going to get Mommy. As for Nature, she can close at any time.